So I'm currently in my Tesla right now, the Model Y, and it won't turn on. Nothing. I can't start the car. Well, I can start it, but I can't see. My screen is completely blank. Put the car in park just in case. Oh, we're booting up. I just don't understand why this computer can't get recalled. This is probably like the 20th, maybe 18th time. I just don't understand why it's rebooting right now, but like that's not safe. If I'm in an emergency. I just don't understand it. I do not get it. See, we're back. But like, did it need to do that? No. Like, Tesla keeps marketing how safe this car is, but it wasn't safe. My screen just shut off when I tried to reverse out. I just don't understand it. Does the computer not have enough RAM, CPU power? I'm confused. What do you guys think? Should Tesla recall the computer on the Tesla Model 3 and the Y from 2019? So let me know down in the comments below. Take care.